All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitars. Zach Bryan, yes, river washed hair like mine, beautiful, shiny. No, just kidding. Great song, this one. Very simple and very, very good song to play. Obviously, guitar friendly. We have 3 chords only. 3? Yes, correct. All of this playing and everything is about 3 different chords, 1 string pattern. Let's go into it. And as you can see, no need for any capo here. We're going to clean our fretboard. C, G, and F, that's what we need. So let's start with the first one. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the F. Place your index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there as a bar, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Alright, so there you have the tools. Now, the strumming. So if you grab the 1st chord, C, and 1 round goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, a short pause, and then comes down, up, down, up. So a couple rounds. All of these downs and ups here, they don't have to be that prominent like robotic. It can be very tamed down in the background, almost skip 1 or 2 here and there. Doesn't hurt too much. This is a lot of feel when it comes to the playing here. So this is a pattern to stick to, but you can also play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or down, down, up, up. I mean, you have to go with something that fits the chord, so you have the timing right when it comes to chord switches and all that. But you don't have to necessarily play all of these down, down, up, down correctly every time, okay? So just have that in mind. Now let's go into the chord progression, and we have the same through the entire song. So I'm gonna play C, 4 string rounds, G, 4, F, 4, then C2 and G2. And just roll that over and over again. So C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, G, 2 again, C. And that's it, my friends. Very, very simple and easy to play the song. 3 chords, 1 string pattern, and that's a go for river washed hair. Thank you so much, and play tuned.